Craving something juicy, garlicky, and packed with flavor? Let's make the perfect garlic chicken thighs crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. Here's what you'll need. Bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Cloves of garlic, minced 2 tablespoons olive oil. Tablespoon butter, salt, pepper, paprika, and thyme. Simple ingredients, big flavor. Season both sides of the chicken with salt, pepper, paprika, and thyme. Massage in the flavors. This step makes all the difference. Heat olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Place the chicken skin side down. Let it sear for 5 to 6 minutes until golden and crispy. Flip, and sear the other side for another 5 minutes. Reduce heat, add butter and minced garlic. Spoon the garlicky butter over the chicken. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 more minutes until fully cooked. Serve it hot with a sprinkle of fresh herbs or a squeeze of lemon juice. Pair with rice, mashed potatoes, or veggies. It's always a winner. Juicy, crispy, bursting with garlic goodness. This is comfort food done right. Loved this recipe? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy, delicious dishes. Looking for the ultimate dessert? This lemon cream cake is pure sunshine on a plate. Ingredients list for the cake: 1 cup flour, TSP baking powder, 2 cup butter, softened, 4 cup sugar, eggs, 4 cup milk, TBSP lemon zest, TBSP lemon juice. For the cream filling, 1 cup, heavy cream, TBSP powdered sugar, TSP vanilla, TBSP lemon juice. Mix butter and sugar until fluffy. Add eggs 1 at a time. Then stir in lemon juice, zest, flour, milk, and baking powder. Pour the batter into a greased pan and bake at 350 degrees, 175 degrees, for 25 to 30 minutes. Let it cool completely. Whip heavy cream with powdered sugar and vanilla until soft peaks form. Fold in lemon juice. Gently slice cake in half horizontally. Spread lemon cream on 1 half, then top with the second layer. Chill for 30 minutes before serving. Dust with powdered sugar or top with a lemon glaze for extra zing. Love this recipe? Like, share, and follow for more sweet creations.
Looking for a quick, healthy, and flavorful pasta dish? Say hello to lemony broccoli pesto pasta. It's zesty, vibrant, and perfect for weeknights. Start by boiling 2 cups of fresh broccoli florets for just 2 to 3 minutes until bright green and tender. Then drain and set aside. Now into a food process. Add the broccoli, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of toasted almonds, 1/2 cup of grated parmesan, and the zest and juice of 1 lemon. Blend it all up while slowly drizzling in 1/4 cup of olive oil. Season with salt and pepper to taste. That's your creamy, lemony broccoli pesto. Cook your favorite pasta, penne or spaghetti works great. Until al dente, reserve some pasta water before draining. Toss the hot pasta with the broccoli pesto. Add a splash of pasta water to loosen it up and make it extra silky. Finish with extra lemon zest, more parmesan, and a sprinkle of chili flakes if you like a kick. Fresh, flavorful, and ready in under 20 minutes. This lemony broccoli pesto pasta is a bright twist on a classic dig in. If you loved this fresh and zesty twist on pasta, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick recipes. Got a favorite pasta combo? Drop it in the comments. Craving a juicy restaurant-quality steak at home? Let's make sirloin steak with garlic butter sauce. Fast, simple, and delicious. Here's what you'll need. Sirloin steaks. Tablespoons, butter, garlic cloves, minced fresh thyme or rosemary, salt and pepper, olive oil. Step 1. Pat the steaks dry and season generously with salt and pepper on both sides. Step 2. Heat a skillet over high heat. Add a splash of olive oil. Step 3. Sear steaks for 3 to 4 minutes per side until brown and cooked to your liking. Step 4. Reduce heat to medium. Add butter, minced garlic, and herbs. Spoon that buttery garlic goodness over the steaks for 1-2 minutes. Let the steaks rest for 5 minutes. This locks in the juices. Slice, drizzle with leftover garlic butter sauce, and serve. Perfect with mashed potatoes or veggies. Juicy, flavorful, Unforgettable. Try this garlic butter sirloin steak tonight.